Are you tired of accidentally sending incomplete emails in Pipedrive before you're ready? I've been there. You type a quick thought, hit send, and immediately regret it. Well, here's the good news. You can save drafts every single time, on purpose, without sending a thing. So here's what we're going to do. I'll show you exactly how to open a deal, access the email tab, and compose a draft that stays safely unsent until you're absolutely ready to hit that send button. No more stress, no more oops moments. All right, let's jump in. First thing, open up Pipedrive. You've got your dashboard in front of you. Good. Now, on the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Go ahead and click on Deals. That's your main hub for all your sales opportunities. Find the deal where you want to write this email. It could be any deal, a new lead, a follow-up, whatever you're working on. Just click on it to open it up. Once the deal is open, look across the top of that window. You'll see several tabs. Click on the one that says Email. This is your inbox for this specific deal. Now you're looking at the email composer. There's a field that says To. Click inside it and type in your recipient's email address. Take your time here. Make sure it's correct. Move down to the subject field. Click in there and type your email subject. Keep it clear and relevant. Something like checking in on your timeline or quick question about the proposal. Now click inside the big message area. This is where the magic happens. Start typing your email content. Just write naturally, like you're having a conversation. Don't worry about perfecting it yet. You're saving a draft, remember? If you want to add a little polish, there are formatting tools above the message area. You can bold key points, add bullet lists, or change the text size. I wouldn't go overboard. A clean, readable email is usually best, but the option is there if you need it. Now, here's the really important part. When you finish typing, do not click the send button. I know it's tempting, but just leave the email window as it is. Close it, or simply navigate away from that deal. Pipedrive automatically saves your draft. That's it. You've got a draft. Need to edit it later? No problem. Just go back to that same deal. Click on the email tab again, and you'll see your draft waiting for you. Click on it, and you can continue writing, tweaking, or rethinking your message. You can do this as many times as you want. Come back tomorrow, add a paragraph, change your mind, delete something. It's all good. The draft stays put until you decide to send it.
So to wrap this up, writing a draft email in Pipedrive is really just about composing in the email tab and then walking away without hitting send. That's the whole trick. No hidden menus, no special save button. Just type, close, and come back when you're ready. I've tested this across dozens of deals, and it works like a charm every single time. So go ahead, give it a try with your next email. You'll feel so much more in control. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.